Hi guys! In this video we're gonna look into some of my latest build, which is these two video game characters. The first one being Napstablook from Undertale. I wanted to make one of the characters from Undertale for a long time, so my first thought was Undyne, because she's this cool fish character, and yeah, I just really like the theme of her. But when I tried to do the face and stuff, it was a bit hard to get all the details right. So I decided to make a more simple character, and then I just made Napstablook instead. And I didn't want to make it all flat. I think that's a shame, because with pluses you could give it a lot more shape and make it more 3D. So I decided to do this on the headset. You can see, just to give it a bit more shape, and yeah, I like that. And of course it can't stand on its own, so I made this this platform here that can hold it. Great platform. I think that's really nice way to make characters you want to put on display or something like that. So after that, I wanted to make a Pokemon, of course, and why not make Pikachu? It's probably the most famous one. Yeah, again, ears, I really like those, and eye, cheeks, the tail. The mouth is not that good, but it's a little hard to do. And of course, again, we have this platform it can stand on. So by doing this, you can actually make your own series of characters you like, and just put them on display and enjoy them. Okay guys, if you like this kind of video, feel free to like it or comment. And of course, if you want these builds, I can do them as well. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.